So because of the snow, guys, we cannot walk going near the volcano because it's forbidden. It's written here, no walking there. It's the snow. So guys, andito na yung telepheric. Ah, chérie, look, what's the cost? Ah, cigarette.
Il y a des cochons. Ah oui, il y a des cochons.
Wow. Ah. It's not. Guys, nahirapan akong huminga. Parang hindi enough yung oxygen dito sa mountain kasi mataas masyado siya, 3,000 meters high, more than 3,000 meters high. Diyan na niya yung clouds sa baba. So punta na tayo sa taas. Tara na. Hindi ba?
Feel the air is very high. Yeah?
Yes.
It's a bit dizzy, no?
I feel like dizzy.
Yes, normal. So we're more than 3,000 meters high.
Nahirapan tayong huminga kasi parang kulang ang oxygen.
Foto, venga, María. La última, Santi, foto, venga, es la última, chicos. Vamos, Almu, Guillermo. Almu, que es contra. Es la última.
Okay, we go.
Yes!
Wait less because of then we can just now.
So pupunta na tayo sa baba. Tapos na yung natin dito.
It's all closed, the other.
Ah, yes, c'est bien. I can go in front.
Okay.
Yeah. I let you guys. So, yun, bababa na tayo. Dito yung sa side.
Et à votre question, qu'est-ce qu'on fait jusqu'à 3 heures? Alors, on a besoin de 2 heures. 11 heures.
Kasi guys, yung naging resulta ng volcano eruption, ito naging ganyan naging ganito yung shape ng mountain. Sorry. Yan. You can see the road.
No.
You see, like, I'm really down. See, I'm bumpy. Yeah, Et regarde, c'est quoi cette marre là? Because I can't climb. Oui, il y a quelque chose de lisse. Chocolat. Chocolat.
Oh, that's the rain.
Ici, il y a que style. Ça va le photo?
Yeah, I think at first I thought it was heated. I think it's just the sun.
J'ai une marmotte.
Pena para the whole
Okay.
month.
So, dito na tayo sa baba. Ano niya yung formation ng rock dyan. Sa lava. Ito. From the volcano. So, dito na tayo. Dumating na tayo sa place. Sa station ng Teleferic. Baba na tayo. So guys, we are done with our walk, with our visit. Ada mana? It's a real So guys, this is a real mummy. They found it here. But very small. Ah, it's a woman. That's why it's small. So beautiful. So guys, ito buong ano yan siya, volcano yan siya dito galing. Sa volcano yung mga bato. Lahat. So punta na tayo, tapos na yung ano natin, journey natin sa mountain ng Taide. Taide is a historical mountain here in Tenerife. And then meron silang mummy dito. The mummy and the daddy. Ayan ang legend ng Taide. Ayan, meron silang souvenir shop dito sa loob. Meron silang shop dito. Yeah. Ayan. So ano bibili natin? Kasi yan ang sinakyan natin kanina pa sa taas. So super taas ng mountain, nahihilo tayo kasi kulang ng hangin.
It's very full this one. Lots of people.
Kulang ng hangin kanina. Tapos ano siya, lamig, sobrang lamig.
That one is good, huh? I like it.
So guys, meron tayo nakitang statue dito na similar sa Brazil. So, there you go. We are done with our visit to the volcano, the famous volcano here.
The sun, it's not cold.
It's a lot of people. So, we are here now. We are done now. Visited the famous volcano. So, pauwi na tayo. Ayan siya. Makikita ninyo yung formation ng stone dito. Volcano yan siya. Galing sa volcano yung mga bato dyan. Tapos naging flat siya dito kasi nung tumabong ang volcano, naging flat dito yung area na to.
On a balcony from where you can see very well the West Caldera, and also you can get nice photos of Teide. Como esto está, que van a ver a la izquierda, y el que quiera puede caminar hacia la derecha, hacia los roques, los ven aquí a mano derecha. Nosotros no tenemos espacio para ir a la derecha y parar, entonces tenemos que hacerlo así. Si ustedes no quieren caminar en la zona del parador, tienen un centro de visitantes muy interesante que pueden visitar gratuitamente hasta ahora. Everyone, we are have the national park. We have to go to the area of the national hotel, to the Parador, to park the bus there because we have no room on the right. But you can cross and you can enjoy the area on the right if you want to. It's a 10 minutes walk. Can you see people crossing across the path we have ahead? Yeah, that's the one you have to follow. El sendero